Today we're going to be working on Leetcode question number 148, sort list. Given the head of a linked list, return the list after sorting it sorting it in ascending order. So basically we can do anything here, like any method in order to sort it, and it's a singly linked list. Now we're going to be sorting it. The way we're going to be doing it is like we're going to be dividing the list into half and then merging it after sorting it. So that's going to be the technique we're going to be using. So at the beginning, in order to get the middle point of the list, what we're going to be doing here is uh, so basically the base condition is going to be that if not head, if there is nil or none, uh, or not the head dot next, in that case we're just going to return the head. Once we um, did that, basically we're gonna have a slow pointer and a fast pointer, fast and slow. uh, so the fast is gonna be head dot next and the slow is gonna be head. And then while the fast exists and the fast dot next exists, while they are not none, the fast is gonna iterate twice as fast. The fast is gonna iterate twice as fast compared to slow. So the slow is gonna be equal to slow dot next. Yes, and then the start is gonna be equal to, so we're gonna have, basically we wanna disjoin the two lists, the first part and the next part. The first part is gonna be the start is equal to the slow dot next. So that is gonna say okay, and then like the slow dot. So basically the start is gonna be the slow dot next, and then the slow dot next is gonna become equal to none. That means that the second one is, so one starts with the head and the other one starts with the start. So we have two disjoint linked lists now. After that we have left and right, which is basically gonna be equal to self dot sort list. Head is gonna give us the sort list of the left side, and for the right side we're gonna say self dot sort list start. So basically we are sorting the list, the left side and the right side, and in the end we're gonna be returning using the self dot merge. So we're gonna take the two disjoint lists left and the right, and we're gonna use the call a merge function in order to merge them together. At the beginning they're gonna be doing it again and again, and in the end, like, we're gonna have like only one node for the left, one node for the right, which is gonna get to the merge. So the last thing we need to do is to write this function merge. For that we have self left and then right, and after that basically the base condition over here is gonna be if we do not have any left or right, or right or sorry not left or not right, right. In that case we're gonna just return left or right. Okay, that being said, once we are out of this base condition, we're going to create a new dummy node so that we can actually sort them. So the dummy is going to be equal to, we're going to have two things. One is the dummy so that we can return the dummy dot next, and one is the pointer p, which is going to point to the this dummy node, and which is going to help us iterate forward. So we're gonna have a list node with the 0 value. Okay, while L or R, sorry, while L and R, while we both of them are available, what we're gonna do is, like, we're gonna say if L dot value is less than r dot value. If that is the case, our pointer is gonna our pointer's next is gonna point to the left. So the pointer dot next is gonna point to the left, and the left is gonna iterate to the next one. Otherwise, definitely the pointer dot next is gonna point to the right one, and we're gonna increment the right linked list. Okay, in both cases, like whether this is true or the right one is greater or equal to the left side, the left node, we are going to increment the pointer p dot next. Okay, there is one thing in the end. Once we are out of this while loop, there could be a possibility that L or R may not be none. So in that case, we're going to say p dot next is equal to either L or R, whichever is not none. And then we're going to be returning the dummy dot next. Looking good so far. Yep, and it did pass all the test cases.